10 years of PyData Amsterdam.
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 In 2015, we started PyData Amsterdam over there. We rented a boat, we got 300-ish people on it, we only expect 150. The thing that I think is really amazing is that it's 10 years later now, but we now have a conference where there's 900 people. It's still at roughly the same venue, it's the other side of the river now, but new people have taken the flag and moved it forward. It is still a great event.
This year, we have a great variety of talks for you again. Think about LLM ops, data engineering with Apache Iceberg and Kafka, and don't forget about anything ML ops. All in all, a great variety of talks with this year more focus on data engineering.
Our mission is to promote open practices in research, data, and scientific computing. We are a very inclusive community. Everybody is very passionate about knowledge sharing. That is what PyData Amsterdam is all about.
We're very excited to host this year's tutorial day at TNW City, our tech-curated co-work space right in the heart of Amsterdam, where innovation and community meet on a daily basis.
We are super excited to share that we are hosting the conference days in the Chromat Hall in Amsterdam North. Looking forward to see you there.
10 years of PyData Amsterdam! Woo!